Hey everyone, I'm Konstantinos and this is Konstantin Knows Tech. First and foremost, I have to be totally honest. I have no idea what I'm doing when it comes to audio and video. I'm totally improvising most of it. Sometimes when I make a video, it's about something that I know and love and want to share that with everyone. But other times, especially when it comes to the how it's made portion of these YouTube videos, I'm learning just before sharing it all with you. That's the goal of my channel, so I can learn more about tech and share it all with you. This is particularly true when it comes to audio. I have not been able to get the audio just right. I'm sure as you could tell by some of my previous videos. But this video is not about my audio and video setup. There may be a video like that coming in the future. This video though is on how I plan to fix it. And that is with the Hollyland Lark M2. This is a wireless microphone system, and this is specifically the combo version. We'll talk more about that later. Later on, I'll also discuss a few comparisons and why I ended up choosing the Hollyland. This video is not sponsored. I did pay for it with my own money, so all of the thoughts and impressions will be completely unbiased in my own opinions. Let's get to the unboxing and test this thing out. Hopefully fix my audio a little bit. All right, let's get cracking on this unboxing. We have the orange Jerry Rig Everything knife. Let's start here at the top and do a little unbox. Get rid of that plastic. Let's see here. A little tape here on the bottom. We're back. Unbox. Okay. First look at the Lark M2 we have here. Oh, that's a nice little package. Let's see here we have "We are here for you" after sales card. Cool. Always good to see good customer support. We have these little stickers that can go on the microphones. That's pretty cool. Oh, there's more. Between smiley faces, wacky faces, and just some little white and black instructions. And throw those to the side. Then here we have the actual microphone case. That is quite bulky. That is nice. Let's take it out of here. That is solid feeling. Oh, check that out. Cool. These are supposedly some of the world's smallest microphones, so I'm excited to try these out. We have already fully charged 2 microphones, the combo version, and the reason the combo version is important is because you can attach this to a camera directly with a 3.5mm jack right over there, and it even has a little gauge so you can change the gain, I believe. I will double check that. The other reason why the combo version is important is because it comes with a lightning cable, but we don't have too many devices with that anymore, and a USB-C cable, so you can record with either your previous generation iPhone or any Android or newer iPhone, which is great. You can just have these little tiny microphones on the go with supposedly some high quality sound. Let's open this up a little bit more. Do not eat that silica packet. We have a carrying case. That's cool. Nice to see. We also have some wind blockers. These are not earmuffs, they are wind blockers. Put that to the side. And the other stuff we have in here, another fuzzy wind blocker, and what looks to be a oh, cool. If you don't want to use the magnets that come with the microphones, you actually have a necklace that is also magnetic. So all you have to do is, I believe, take this magnet off. That is a very strong magnet for the size. And there you go. Pretty cool. Just don't swallow those magnets. And last but not least, we have USB-A to USB-C charging cable. 3.5mm jack for the camera connection, and that is everything. One thing that I missed is that it also comes with 2 clips, so that there's a third method to attach this to your shirt, you can just take off the magnet from the previous one and attach a magnetic clip, so you can just clip these to your shirt as well. So here's everything that comes in the box. It is a pretty neat package with lots of goodies, and I'm excited to try it out. Let's dive into some of the specs. The weight of each one of these is only 9 grams, and it looks like a little button. You can hardly even tell that it's a microphone if it wasn't for the light. It also attaches with a magnet, as we covered in the unboxing, which is great so it doesn't pinch or ruin any of your clothes. As for battery, each mic supposedly can get a charge up to 10 hours, and the case can recharge in 1.5 hours. The case can also recharge all of the components 2 full times after they've been depleted. The only difference is if you're using the combination version with the camera accessory, that has a total battery life of 40 hours, while the mobile version is only 30 hours. Now for some of the specs that I'm not the best versed in. The Lark M2 wireless microphone captures 48 kilohertz and a 24-bit sample rate. The mic can also handle up to 115 decibels SPL, which is ideal for high-pitched environments. It also has noise canceling technology built in. Pressing the noise cancellation button on the microphone allows you to remotely control your phone to start or stop recording, as well as take photos. There's also a separate button that allows you to switch between mono and stereo audio. Like I said in the beginning, I'm not the best versed at this stuff, so I had to look up what some of this meant. Mono means both microphones are recording onto one single channel, while stereo means that the audios are recording on independent channels. One thing that was super simple is auto pairing. These microphones are pre-paired at the factory, so you just have to plug it into your phone and it's good to go. And there's a stable transmission rate of about 300 meters or about 1,000 feet. There's also the Lark Sound app, where you're able to update the firmware and adjust a few settings. And another benefit of the combo one that comes with the camera mount is that you can connect that directly onto your PC. As for price, they retail directly from the manufacturer for $179. I got mine from the manufacturer on sale for $139. But you can also find them on other retailers such as Amazon for $139. So we're out for an evening walk, just testing out the microphone. Let me know how it sounds out in the wild. And let's do a little noise cancellation test. So I'm just gonna hit this yellow button here. The light should have changed color. Now it is green. And let me know if it sounds any different. We're going to try a new test for the microphone. I don't think it's a standard in the industry. This is going to be the golden retrieve test. Let's go. Come on. Hey, Jax. I'm nowhere near 1,000 feet like the spec sheet says, but as you can see, I have moved quite a bit away from the camera, so hopefully the audio is still holding up. There's a lot of great about this little microphone, but there are a couple fallbacks as well. And keep in mind, these fallbacks are just off my initial usage and a little bit of research, so there may be others. These are just my first thoughts. First and foremost, when comparing to some other competitors, there's no on-device recording. It is a transmitter only. So if you're beyond the level of just needing a wireless mic that has a transmitter and you need onboard recording, you may need to look at something else. And the other negative I saw is that you can't plug in a wired lavalier microphone. Don't get me wrong, this little mic is great, but a lavalier mic is maybe $30 on Amazon, which is a great alternative to a wireless mic. Like I said at the start of the video, I'm pretty new to YouTube and the audio world. So I did what most of us tech nerds do, and I went right back to YouTube to do some research, as well as Reddit. There's a lot of great material for research out there, but I saw that there's a few competitors that are top of the line, those being DJI, Rode, and Hollyland. The DJI Mic 2, Rode Wireless Go 2, and the Hollyland Lark M2. I'm not going to go into all of the specs for all of these companies. They all have great products in their own respective ways. This was just preliminary research that I did for my specific needs. The most important things to me were, number one, ease of use. I'm very new to the audio world and I wanted something that was kind of plug and play, and if I need to upgrade in the future, I'll do that. I also like this one specifically because I have the ability to use my phone or a camera. Number two, I was a little more price cautious. Like we said earlier, the price is $139, while some of the competitors like DJI and Rode were between $280 and $350, something that was a bit more than I was willing to spend for this product. And last but not least, and forgive my bias, it's what other people use. I saw in a few videos that MKBHD has been using the Lark M2, so I figured if it's good enough for Marquez, I might try it out. To sum it all up, the Hollyland Lark M2 is a pretty cool little piece of tech. I switched from my old mic to the new one, so hopefully it sounds a bit better. I'm no audio expert, we've covered that throughout this video, but the Hollyland Lark M2 should help me get to that next level. It checked off all the boxes for a beginner without breaking the bank, which was super important to me. So far, for my initial impressions, I'd recommend this. If you've learned anything in this video, please give it a like, and if you'd like to see more, make sure to subscribe. This is Konstantinos with Konstantin Knows Tech. Thanks for tuning in.